How's it going, guys? SYGTECH is here. This is Stefan. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, we're gonna check the Maono PD200W with the companion app Maono Link. So I think this is gonna be interesting. So make sure to like, subscribe, share, and let's dive into this interesting software. Now, as you can see, I'm using the Maono PD200W, and I'm using this microphone with the wireless receiver plugged into my PC. So if you don't know, this microphone is a hybrid, so you can use it with an XLR for more professional use, with the mixers, audio interfaces. Also, you can use it with Type C or Type A, depends on your machine. So it's going to give you a lot of flexibility there. I decided to use it with the receiver because I think it's the most fun part, I believe. So let's check this interesting software, which by the way, you can download in descriptions down below. Pretty straightforward, very easy process there. So once you open the app, as you can see, I do like the layout, which is pretty cool, very easy to navigate to the settings, and it's fun to use. So as you can see, I'm using the Maono PD200W. This is the picture of the microphone. On the top left side, as you can see, we have home. And also we have the name of the device, as you can see, PD200W. On the left side, as you can see, we have a meter, which this is great. So for example, if your microphone gain is quite high, it's going to show you here if you pick. This is great. Also on the bottom, we have a mute button. So if I press right now, you can see I'm back now. So physical button. Also we have on the microphone. So if you want to mute yourself, if you're gaming, streaming, you can do that with the software, or you can do it with the physical button, which is great. And something pretty cool, we have a built-in recorder, which this is great. Now let's see for how long this will record. Also, I'm recording the audio with Audacity. I hope this recorder is good. So I hope records the entire sounds. So let's see that, and we'll check that in the end. Now on the top we have the basic scene and lights. So I will show you now all the tabs, what they do. On the top side, as you can see, we have the microphone gain, the battery, apologize, the battery. Like I mentioned, this microphone is wireless and we have a built-in battery inside, 60 hours. That's plenty of recordings there. So we have a battery, which is great. So 60 hours is plenty. We have the microphone gain here, as you can see. So if I slide this to the left, you're probably not going to hear me properly. And if I slide this, as you can see, so you can hear me right now, which is good. On the bottom, we have the headphones volume, so you can monitor yourself while you record, which is great, in my opinion. So like I mentioned this in my previous videos, there's a slight delay when I hear myself. I hope this can be fixed, but if it's not being fixed, it's completely fine. It's not a big issue. I can hear myself. It's not an issue. And on the bottom, we have noise canceling. So we have single, moderate, and aggressive, as you can see. Let's change it to moderate. So let's see if there's a difference with the tone. Let's change it to aggressive. This is the aggressive. Maybe there's maybe slight difference in the tone. Let's change it to a single now, which is pretty cool. Now let's move to a scene. Now this is the fun part. We have built-in DSP. So we have original, podcast, game, and sing, which is nice. Also, you can import. If I'm not wrong, they in the website I saw like some plugins which you can download, which probably I'm gonna do that next time. So let's change it to podcast. And now this is the podcast. This is good. Actually, the podcast preset is very good. Sounds very good. And now this is the game. Not a big fan of the game, but yeah, sounds good as well. And the good thing is that I think you can change here. I'll figure out right now. Oh, we have sing as well. Reverb, yeah. So if you want to do something fun, you can do that as well. And also we have different configuration here. Folk, okay. Pop. Nice. Plus, you can just name your configuration here. Yeah. Let's leave it to podcast. Good. So, yeah, this is the settings for the DSP, which is great in my opinion. And let's check the lights. So this microphone comes with a RGB built in, which is great. So as you can see, and we have a slider here, which is going to give the brightness of the RGB lights. As you can see on the camera, it's pretty bright. Different colors here, as you can see, which is nice. We have different settings here. I think the RGB is nice. Loop, yeah, nice. Let's leave it to just single color. Let's leave it to, yeah, let's leave it the RGB lights just for today's video now. I'm a fan of the RGB, don't get me wrong, but yeah, sometimes can be distracted if you look the microphone. And what else we have here? So we have AI settings, we have noise cancelling, and we have hero self. Okay, when I interesting. Okay, so I can hear some I can hear some delay again, but yeah. But overall, this is the software for the Maono PD200W. Like I mentioned, I do like the layout. The layout looks very good. Everything is easy to find and everything works, as you can see. I do like this microphone again. Maono, they did send this microphone, but they don't pay me to make any videos, guys. I'm not sponsored. I'm not working with Maono. But yeah, it's a fun microphone to use. And checking the recording, which we record right now here on the bottom, it shows 7 minutes. So that means that this records. Because earlier when I tried to record with the built-in recorder, was recording for 2 minutes, which was a little bit odd. Let me show you that I'm recording with Audacity, but from now on, I'm not gonna record with Audacity. Audacity is amazing software, but the fact that I can record directly into the Maono Link, this is amazing. This is great. So you don't have to worry about software. You have the software here. Well done, Maono. So there we have it, guys. Maono PD200W, Maono Link. Just to give you like some ideas with the software. I like it. I think complements very well the microphone. And yeah, let me know what do you think about this microphone. Have you tested? Have you bought this microphone? What microphone are you using right now? Are really interesting to check your comments in the section down below, guys. So let me know what you think. If you have any questions, yeah, hit the like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video.